objective of this video today is to majorly show you how to transfer files or rather receive files on your MacBook direct from the Android phone just via Bluetooth. So if you just move to the Bluetooth device here, or rather open Bluetooth preferences and connect like this. So this one allows you to only send your computer work to the Android or rather any other phone that can receive that you've paired. But then if you want to share work from your device to the MacBook, you need to follow a few steps down here. One, come to your this first option here, come to the system preferences, and then move to don't come to Bluetooth. This one will not help you. Go straight to sharing. Click on the sharing button here. Under the service tab, we have different options, but then this time around we're interested in the Bluetooth sharing. So click on the Bluetooth sharing. By so doing, it will allow you to receive files. If this is turned off, your computer will not receive files, but it can send files to any device so long as it's paired. So you have to first mark this, or rather check this Bluetooth sharing. That's when it will allow you to be in position to share files to any device. So rather here you have when receiving items, accept and save. You click accept, and then you save them. Then the folder where it will enter to downloads. Otherwise you can as well come to other, then go on selecting where I want them to be. But for my preference, I expect I really would like to see them from the download section, so that it works well. Then by this step, rather, we would have made our deal complete. So thank you so much for watching, and I really advise you to subscribe, and let's hit the K viewers. Hit the K viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.